Ciao a tutti e bentornati sul mio canale YouTube, sono Bukola. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bukola. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to check the status of your assegno unico application, the single and universal allowance application. So for those that are hearing this for the first time, the assegno unico, which is translated as the universal allowance, the single and universal allowance for dependent children, is an economic benefit for families with children based on the indicator of the ISE, which is the equivalent economic situation. So I already made a video on how you can apply for this application, to how to request. I already made a video on how you can request for this application, and I already made a video on how to check la simulazione, to check how much you might be receiving from INPS. Okay, so today I'm not going to talk so much about what assegno unico is all about. I'm just going to show you a tutorial on how to check the status of the application online. Okay, so to check the status of your application online, you'll be going to the INPS website, which is it's already here, imps.it. So I will be clicking on Entra in my INPS to log in. So entra con SPID. Consento. So now that I'm in, guys, you go to the search area, this search area here, and you type assegno unico e universale. Okay, so I'll be clicking servizio, assegno unico e universale. So as you can see here, this is for those that want to present a new application. This is for a tutor of a parent. This is for an adult child. Se vuoi fare la domanda e sei maggiorenne, devi cliccare qui. If you are already an adult and you want to apply for the application, you have to click here. If you want to read information about what assegno unico is all about, you can click here. To consult the status of your application, you will be clicking consulta e gestisci le domande già presentate. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so as you can see here, it's going to give you the information, your children information. Okay, your children information, the information of the other parents if it was added in the application. And as you can see here, in this stato domanda is saying in istruttoria, so an answer has not been given yet, so we have not, the result is not yet out, so it's still saying in istruttoria. They are still making their investigation. So in istruttoria means they are still investigating. So as you can see here, before when you click here, you can modify and check what you've inserted in your application, but now you can't make any changes. So as it says here, le modifiche sono momentaneamente inibite per verifiche in corso. The changes are not allowed due to the ongoing checks, ongoing verifications. So there is nothing to do for now. So soon we should be able to see the results, since they will start paying from the 15th. So from the 15th up to maybe 20, you will find the results of your application. So if the status of your application is still saying in istruttoria, it means that they are still investigating, they are still doing their verifications to see that everything you have inserted in the application is correct. Okay, so that's it for this video. It's very easy to check, as you can see here. And if you have any question, like there are frequently asked questions here, which is the FAQ, frequently asked questions. So yeah, you can consult this place to check, you know, the frequently asked questions, to see if maybe if you have any question, you can see the answer. Like, yeah, quando si potrà richiedere l'assegno unico, it says from the 1st of January 2022. Is it obbligatorio, is it compulsory? And as it says here, no, la prestazione assegno unico ha carattere universalistico e può essere richiesta anche in assenza di ISE. As I said earlier, you don't have to compulsorily present your ISE. It's just that if you don't present your ISE, you will be given the minimum amount. Okay, so it's better to present an ISE if you want more money. So these are just frequently asked questions. Quando verrà pagato l'assegno unico? So it says here, per le domande presentate a gennaio e febbraio, i pagamenti cominceranno a essere erogati dalla seconda metà di marzo. Per le domande presentate dal 1 marzo in poi, il pagamento verrà effettuato al fine del mese successivo a quello di presentazione della domanda. So, per chi presenta la domanda entro giugno 2022, i pagamenti avranno decorrenza per le mensilità arretrate dal mese di marzo. So as it says, so here it's saying that for applications submitted in January and February. So if you submitted your application in January, and if you submitted submitted your application in February, in this month, payments will begin to be made from the second half of March, meaning from the 15th, as I said earlier, from the 15th. So the payments will begin from the second half of March. So if you submitted your application from the 1st of March onwards, payments will be made at the end of the following month. So now, for example, I presented my application on the 1st of March. That means I won't be receiving the allowance in March. I will have to wait till the end of next month. I will have to wait till the end of towards the end of April. Okay, and if you present your application before June 2022, payments will take effect for the arrears from March. So that means that you won't lose any allowance. Okay, so but if you present your application late, maybe you present your application in July, you won't be receiving the allowance for January, February, March, April, May. So you will the payment is going to start from the month of June. So in July, you'll be receiving the payment of June. So I will urge everyone to present the application before June 2022, before the end of June. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Hope this video was informative and helpful. If you have any question, you can always leave it in the comment section, and I always reply. I will try as much as possible to reply. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Like this video and subscribe. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up, please, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Click that subscribe button, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Ciao, alla prossima.